Go and say it again. Tell me if you happy with this high cost of living. No, 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 no. People, are you happy with the wages them giving? No, 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 no. Tell me if you happy with this high rise in crime. No, 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 no. Them want thief every penny and you don't get a dime. No, 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 no. Tell me, are you gonna stand up or are you gonna run? No, 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 no. Be brave enough to tell them time come. You hear me? Now this is Buju Banton reaching out to my beloved Jamaican people. The moment of decision is drawing nigh. And I want everyone to know that the decisions we make will only affect our children and the future of Jamaica. Make the right decision, make the right choice. Don't be intimidated. I love you all. Yeah, post it.